As always, y'all, if you don't have them, go get yourself some. Don't rely on the Snap-on man for his overpriced stuff. My local store, Kaufman's, $12.59 plus tax. 90 massive wipes. And they're running 16 inches. Clean the top of the box off. Now getting ready to put some polish on. Stay tuned. Oh, I guess my can don't spray, so just gonna do this. Now we've got dots on it. Just got to wipe them in, let them dry, and wipe them off. Stay tuned. We got half of it so far. Not shabby, but it's getting there. And she's done.